Students, today you will study Coulomb's law in vector form. Class 12, Physics, first chapter, Electric Charge and Fields. Class 12. So you will study Coulomb's law in vector form. Coulomb's law you have read. There are 2-point charges. Between 2-point charges, force is acting. The force is known as electrostatic force. Coulomb's law you have read. Force between two charges Q1 Q2 by R square. Coulomb's law you have read. Here there are two charges, 2-point charges Q1 Q2 separated by distance R. The force acting between 2-point charges is known as electrostatic force or Coulomb force. This force, Coulomb's law states that force between 2-point charges is directly proportional to the product of magnitudes of 2-point charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between these 2-point charges. So now you will study Coulomb's law in vector form. So here consider 2-point charges Q1 Q2 separated by distance R. So you will both charges are like charges. Like charges means here Q1 Q2 is greater than 0. greater than 0. अगर ये माइनस चार्ज है मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो क्या होगा प्लस ग्रेटर देन 0. अगर प्लस प्लस है तो फिर भी ग्रेटर देन 0. तो if two charges are like charges तो both will repel to each other. चाहे दोनों पॉजिटिव पॉजिटिव हो या दोनों नेगेटिव नेगेटिव हो, मीन्स Q1 इंटू Q2 इज ग्रेटर देन 0. अब क्या हो गया, ये फोर्स दिस यू आर सीइंग फोर्स ऑन चार्ज, यू आर कंसिडरिंग फोर्स ऑन चार्ज here. This you are saying F12 force on charge Q1 due to charge Q2, and here force F21 force on charge Q2 due to charge Q1. So now we can apply here Coulomb's law. According to Coulomb's law, if you remove proportional sign, you will put a constant K, Coulomb's constant. In vector sign we are writing force on charge Q2 due to charge Q1. So F21 is equal to K Q1 Q2 by R square. So this force is vector quantity. So what will be the direction of this force? Direction of force is given by unit vector. What is here? R12 cap unit vector. R12 cap. This unit vector gives the direction of this force. Force is acting this direction from Q1 to Q2. So this will give the direction of force. This unit vector directed from charge Q1 to Q2. So this you are getting. Similarly, force F12 is equal to K Q1 Q2 by R square. What will be the direction of this force? Direction of this force will be this direction, unit vector R21. This is the unit vector. Unit vector gives direction of this force. This force is acting from Q1 Q2 to Q1. So this unit vector gives the direction of this force. And also you have read unit vector, but R12 cap is equal to minus R21 cap. Both are unit vector. Magnitude is same, but direction is opposite. Direction of this vector, this direction of this vector, but magnitude is same, unit. So here you will put negative sign. So in place of R21 we can put this value, so we can put minus. So equation first and second you can see, so both are from equation first and third. So we can write down F12 is equal to minus F21. So this is the also Newton's third law of motion. So Coulomb's law in vector form is just similar to Newton's third law of motion. One thing more you can consider, this charge Q1 and here charge Q2 separated by distance r, but these two charges are unlike charge. Positive है, negative है, negative है, positive. Unlike charge, what will happen? They will attract. So this you will consider q1 q2 is less than 0. अगर ये पॉजिटिव 5 कूलम है, ये नेगेटिव 2 कूलम है, तो मल्टीप्लीकेशन क्या हो जाएगा? लेस देन 0. So what will be the force here? The force will act in this way. F force on charge q1 due to this charge. So this is the force on charge q1 due to charge q2. Force on this charge, this will be F21. So in this way also you can consider Coulomb's law in vector form. This equation first and third, both equations gives the Coulomb's law in vector form. In this way you have read Coulomb's law in vector form.